Hello, students. Wish you all a very happy and healthy living. Welcome back to one more session on spreadsheets. In this session, we will learn about few more topics such as copying and moving data, fill handle tool, autofill feature, and performing calculations on data. You can copy or move data from one location to another in the worksheet or onto the other worksheet. Copying makes a duplicate of the original data and places it in a specified location, whereas moving relocates the selected data to the specified location. For example, if you want to copy this marks report to a new sheet, that is to sheet 4, first insert a sheet. Right click, insert, click OK. A new sheet is inserted. Now go back to sheet 2. Select the range of cells to be copied. Suppose if you want full range, then select the full range, or if you want the part of it, select that part and then right click, then click on copy option. Then I want to move it to another sheet, so I'm clicking on that next sheet. You have to first click on the first cell of the range to be copied. I'm clicking on C4 cell, right click and paste. Select paste option. See, it, it is creating a duplicate of the original one, and this is copied onto the other sheet. Now we'll go back to the sheet 2. See, it is there also. Now if you want to copy onto the same sheet on different location, then again select it and right click, copy, then click on the cell where you want that to be pasted, then click on paste. See, you have two copies here. This is second copy, this is first copy on the same sheet. So next, if you want to range of data, then same procedure, right click, cut, then wherever you want to move it, say I'm taking it from I4, right click on that and paste it. See, now here you can see this is moved, relocated, that is it is removed from the original place here and it is moved to the specified location. You know the shortcut keys for all these copy, paste, and cut options. So that is Control C for copy, Control X for cut, and Control V for pasting. There is another way of moving the data, that is first select it and click on any of the boundary of the ray and move it wherever you want to place it and release the mouse button. This is called drag and drop method. Autofill is a feature of Excel to fill a range of cells with a series of data without actually typing it. To autofill the data, you have to use fill handle tool. Fill handle tool is the small black square in the bottom right corner of the active cell. You can see this is the active cell. On the right corner, you have a small black square. That is fill handle tool. For example, to fill the roll numbers here, instead of entering them manually, you can type the first two numbers in the first two cells. That is, here I'll type it as 1 and 2. Then select both the cells and then drag that wheel handle tool towards down. If you want to enter, say, sections here, then you can type A for the first cell, and I want all these cells to be entered as A only, because this belongs to the one class, one section, and then you need not type in the second row. Just click on this and drag it down. All the cells will be filled with A. You can use autofill feature to increment numeric value, date, month, time even if you select one cell. Whatever pattern you enter, the same pattern will be filled, such as if you enter month in short form, all the cells will be filled in short form and vice versa. Spreadsheets are used to perform calculations on huge data. Let us see how simple math calculations are done. Say, for example, I want to add two, two numbers 20 plus 30. If I enter 20 plus 30 as it is, then this will be take stored as it is 20 plus 30. But if I want to calculate this and place the result, I mean put the result in that particular cell, then I have to use equal to sign before typing the values and the operators. Say, for example, here I've typed equal to 20 plus 30 and then press enter key. The result, that is 20 plus 30, is 50. So result will be displayed on that particular cell. Now when you click on that particular cell in the formula bar, you can see that formula there. The result will be displayed, that is output will be displayed in that particular cell, but the formula will be displayed. Click on that cell, in the formula bar it will be displaying the formula. Say, for example, one more example we'll take, and I want that result to be placed in C column. So that is any calculation 2 into 3 plus 4 minus 2. So here before that we have to place equal to sign, then press enter key. So the result is displayed here, that is 2 into 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 minus 2 is 8. Remember, all the formula or calculation should begin with an equal to sign to show that it is a formula, not just a value. Here we can also use cell address with formulae. For example, typing the numbers in different columns, and I want the sum of these three and that result to be placed in E4 cell. Then place a cursor there and then type the formula, that is first equal to sign, then instead of typing the numbers you can type these cell addresses. Cell address of this 40 is A4, so type A4 and then type the operator, that is whatever operation you want to do on that, type that operator plus and B4 cell. So B4, that means the content of A4 and B4 will be added minus C4. So that means 40 plus 20 is 60, 60 minus 30 will be again 30. So that calculation will be done and the result will be displayed here once I press enter key. Formula you can see on the formula bar, A4 plus B4 minus C4 means the content of A4 cell will be added to content of B4 cell, and the result of those two, from the result of those two will uh, C4's content will be subtracted and the total result will be displayed in E4. There is one more method for uh, finding the sum or average or count etc. for functions, that is you can use I'll remove this. Now I want the result here, sum of these three. So you can click on home tab, then you can use the sum function from the editing group and specify the range here, that is A4 cell to C4 cell. Select these cells by dragging it. So then press enter key. It will add A4 to C4. T90 is displayed here. It is calculating sum of these three numbers. Similarly there are some more functions in the editing tab to find the average, to find the maximum of the numbers, to find the minimum of the numbers. We'll take one more example here. That is, we'll take minimum and specify the range again. A4, select the range, A4 to C4 and enter key, which is the minimum number here, 20. So 20 is displayed here, and so on. With this, your lesson concludes. In the next session, we will do an exercise which will be a recap of all the topics covered. Note down today's assignment. Thank you.